Hey guys, welcome to Mystical Moonstone. This message is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Remember, these are general reads, so they may or may not resonate with everyone. And don't forget to check the placements in your birth charts to see if some of the other zodiac signs may resonate with you as well. Let's see what the overall energy is for Aquarius. Okay, we have the 4th chakra, your heart chakra, the one I can't pronounce. Everything is in your hands. Okay. Sovereignty, did I say it? Did I? Sovereignty, maybe. Let me know. I don't know. I can't do that one. Anyway, maybe I just did, hopefully. Anyways, we have the King of Coins. Okay, so this has to do with your own stability. Look at this, and then we have the Sun card that just came out. Okay, we got 2 there. Moving forward and putting something behind you. Okay. And the opportunity of prosperity here with the Ace of Coins. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, this has to do with your stability and putting something behind you, right? Knight of Wands and taking action. Stepping into your own power. Here we have the Queen of Wands. Okay, so this is quite bossing up, basically, doing what you got to do. Yeah, moving forward. Here we have the 6 of Wands again. Moving forward to calmer waters. It's like you did something that is pushing things forward for you. Ten of Swords. So you're tired of feeling vulnerable. So you're bossing up. And gaining strength. And I feel like this wasn't easy for you. This was a struggle. It's a struggle for you. But you're maneuvering through the obstacles to move forward. You're trying to push on. In a relationship. Between you and your person. Ace of Coins. Didn't we just have that? Opportunity for prosperity. But this also, you know what? Hold on. This might have to do with your own stability too. Becoming stronger. Letting go of the fear. Getting out of that cage of fear. Well, that does take a lot of strength. So you're you know, that maybe that's why this is here. Oh yeah, I mean, we have the Page of Coins, and to me this one is always about personal growth. What was I going to say? Oh, while we have the 4th chakra, you're opening up your heart. Releasing some of that fear and moving forward. Gaining some personal growth. Lovers again. Some growth within the relationship even. Connecting on a higher level. Four of Swords. Putting some things to rest that needed to be cast aside, put away, helping you to move forward in a healthy way and creating a stronger bond and relationship. Success, victory. That's always good. So you're making changes, basically. You're making changes within your relationship that is making you and your relationship a lot stronger than what it was. Casting aside some fear and vulnerability and gaining your own strength, stepping into your own power, bossing up. You know what I'm saying? It's like you're taking control and creating a stronger relationship because you're working on yourself. So working on yourself is then in turn maybe creating more conversations or allowing you to open up a little bit more to your person, creating a stronger relationship. Does this make sense to you? It's like, what is that saying? That if you love yourself first and then others can love you. It's like that. It's like working on yourself, but then in turn your relationship is becoming better as well because you're working on yourself. Does that make sense? Okay, this is what I have for you. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again real soon.